Hello everybody, this is Sonia again. I'm back in my altered book that I started the other day, and I'm kind of jumping around, and I said I was going to leave some images in, take some out. This one here, I liked this part. I don't feel like this chicken rooster really goes with the background, so I'm going to cover this up and then maybe see what else I can do with this page. But I really trying to alter this book to keep things I like, take things out I don't like. So I have some an old book with some old faded pages here. I think that will cover up. And since this background, this sky's kind of a pinkish color, I'm going to try and stay with that. I have some Sunkissed Peach, and I'm going to cover some of this up to try, and that didn't go down very good. See, I can cover up this part and it'll kind of match this background. See, yeah, that does look pretty nice. So it's almost part of the sky, which is kind of pinkish. Okay, so I went ahead and painted down here. I covered up the rooster. I'm going to put a little bit of collage down on this sharp edge here. The painty paper. Cover up that other paint. Don't really care for that there. So I'm left with the church building and spire, which I like this. And I'll just leave this paint here that covered that quite nicely. I'm going to just go ahead and cover that up. Okay, so I have added this guy here. Look at the moon. I've added the fussy cut cactus, covered this chicken up, and I have kept the church, did some collage, and I think I'll be done for now. So I'm quite pleased with this. I hope you enjoyed this session, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.